Well, welcome to today's episode of JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're going to be talking about mirrors. Stick with me. In the past, I've shown you that I've used these mirrors here, and they did a really good job until I put this lighting strip in. As soon as I put this on, now it doesn't fit. So I had to come up with another solution. That's when I turned to YouTube and seen what other people were using for mirrors. Originally, I had a set that went into the door hinges, and they didn't work at all. They were just rattling like crazy, and it wasn't enough structure for me. So I went to the window hinge, the windshield hinge, and they worked great until this rack. So on YouTube, I found a company called CMM Offroad, and they came up with an awesome solution. Check this out. Luckily, I watched an installation on this on YouTube because there was no instructions with this. First, I'm going to take this bolt out of the A-pillar. Now that that bolt is out, next we remove this cap. Get that into place. Take our Allen key onto the A-pillar. Tighten this up. That goes on there like so. That. What I love about this is that I never have to take this off when I put the doors on. I just got to unscrew this and pull the mirrors out. This in place. Bang! Got my mirror. And it goes into place. Just like that, we're finished. Now this is not going to stick out, so it's perfect for when you're in the bush. Nothing's going to actually hit it versus the mirrors that are out like this. So this is very effective in my opinion. And let's see how it looks. Looking from the front, you can barely even see that they're there. This side you can see it a little more. I really like them. Look how steady that is. It's not shaking. I'm going 63, 64. It's not shaking at all. Look at the other side. Very sturdy. So now that I've driven around for a couple of hours, I can give you an honest review of this product. To me, this is the best mirror that I've tried so far. It's a solid construction. It fits right into your A-pillar, which I think is great. And when it's uninstalled, it looks stock. Looks like it's supposed to be there, which is what I like. Another thing that you see is right here, they got a ball on there. And that is in case you want to use a GoPro so that people can watch you when you're driving down the street on your adventures, whether it be off-road or down the street. This product is a dream come true to any JL owner, and I think that I would recommend it to anybody. So I'm going to leave a link below to where you can order these. The company is great to deal with, and I have no complaints whatsoever. I hope I gave you some insight on another really great product. Without YouTube, I never would have found this, so thank you guys that showed this in previous videos. I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching this review and installation video. Smash that like button if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so already by hitting that bell. So that way you can get some notifications on my next video. And my next video I'm going to be showing is a relocation bracket for my license plate. Right now I have no rear license plate. I had to zip tie it to my trailer hitch. And I have no light for it, so legally I can't drive my Jeep at night because you can't read my plate. So I'll be able to change that situation, and you're going to be able to see that real soon. So thanks guys for joining me. Until next time, keep the wheel side down. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.